The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 561, effective until midnight Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Central King County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, western Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located near Valley View and near Elburn, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-sized hail.
7:37 p.m. Two severe thunderstorms were located near Valley View and near Elburn, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, St. Charles, West Chicago, Acadia, Geneva, Canton Hills, Bloomingdale, South Elgin, North Warren, Winfield, Elburn, and Wayne. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-80s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. And for Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows around 60. North winds around 5 miles per hour. For Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jo Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shelburne or near Darlington, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lena, Warren, Apple River, Winslow, Nora, Buena Vista, Onico, Wadhams Grove, Apple River Canyon State Park, Lake Lackawanna State Park, Jo Daviess County Fairgrounds, and McConnell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio. Surrounding communities. An excessive heat warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following county: Lee, Illinois. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Jo Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, western Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 9 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near north to Scales Mound, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Lena, Stockton, Warren, Pearl City, Woodbine, Scales Mound, Apple River, Winslow, Nora, Shyville, Maxbus, Lauren, Kent, Leroy, Damascus, Lakeland Aquanaut State Park, Apple River Canyon State Park, Stockton Airport, and Elmville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. The following is a summary of watches. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jo Daviess and northwestern Stephenson counties is The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Durand, or 9 miles west of Rockford, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Durand, Sheldon, and Harrison. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Kane County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., multiple severe thunderstorms were located over central Kane County and northern DuPage County from Glendale Heights to South Elgin to Elburn, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Schaumburg, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Bartlett, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, St. Charles, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Camden Hills, Roselle, Bloomingdale, South Elgin, and Warrenville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following
Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin until 9:15 p.m. At 8:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Elkhorn, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Richmond, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Como, Pale Lake, Powers Lake, Springfield, Abel's Corners, Gibbets, Millard, and Delavan Lake. People attending the Elkhorn truck and shop should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 9 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near north to Scales Mound. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 9:15 p.m. At 8:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Beloit, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Clinton, Shapir, and Hogs Hollow. People attending farmers market in Beloit should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois until 2:15 a.m. At 8:24 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated nearly stationary thunderstorms producing rain rates of 1 to 2 inches of rain per hour. Up to 2 inches of rain has fallen near St. Charles. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Underpasses, low-lying areas, and other forward drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Walworth,
and other forward drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Carroll Springs, Hanover Park, Carroll Village, DeKalb, Woodley, Glen Allen, West Chicago, Ogle, and Geneva. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northwestern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois until 9:15 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rockford Airport, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Rockford, Rockford Airport, Cherry Valley, Davis Junction, Kirkland, New Milford, Monroe Center, and Fairdale. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 110 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 17 and... For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Rock Island County in northwestern Illinois, Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, southern Jackson County in east central Iowa, southeastern Cedar County in east central Iowa, Scott County in east central Iowa, northeastern Muscatine County in east central Iowa, Clinton County in east central Iowa until 9:45 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Otter Creek to Lost Nation to near Cedar Bluff, moving east at 70 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for portions of eastern Iowa and northwest Illinois. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, Bettendorf, Clinton, East Moline, Macolcada, Morrison, Duroc, Mount Carroll, Silvis, Geneseo, Eldridge, DeWitt, Milan, Kelowna, Comanche, LeClaire, Coal Valley, and Savannah. For your protection, protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jo Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, eastern Jackson County in east central Iowa, northeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Scioto Mills to Bellevue State Park, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. These are destructive storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Freeport, Mount Carroll, Savannah, Lena, Bellevue, Stockton, Leonard, Milledgeville, Preston, Fairhaven, Hanover, Pearl City, Elizabeth, Cheyenne, Cedarville, Woodbine, Cibula, Chadwick, German Valley, and Miles. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KZZ 55 Dixon. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for south central Jo Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, southern Jackson County in east central Iowa, northeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Otter Creek, or 10 miles north of Maquoketa, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fulton and Cottonville around 8:40 p.m. Andrew around 8:45 p.m. Springbrook around 8:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Preston, Spragueville, Green Island, Van Buren, Miles, Goose Lake, Reefville, Andover, Teagues Grove, Camp Miss Elk Ton, Mississippi Palisades State Park, Bryant, Savannah, Cibula, and South Cibula Lake Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KZZ 55 Dixon. Damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and... The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, until 12:45 a.m. At 8:49 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mineral Point, Darlington, Shelburne, Belmont, Benton, Argyle, Wheaton, Linden, New Higgins, South Wayne, Waldwick, Elk Grove, Fayette, Lamont, Rui, Browntown, Gratiot, Calumet, Yellowstone Lake State Park and Leiden Mine. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 9:45 p.m. At 8:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rockford, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Loves Park, McHenry Park, Cherry Valley, and Winnebago, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 8 and 15. This includes Rockford State Park, Rock Valley College, and Rockford Speedway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jo Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Jackson County in east central Iowa, southeastern Dubuque County in northeastern Iowa until 10 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line of
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 9:45 p.m.
Freeport, Galena, Asbury, Lena, Bellevue, Stockton, East Dubuque, Warren, Hanover, Pearl City, Elizabeth, Cedarville, Davis, Woodbine, Dakota, German Valley, Scales Mountain, Fall River, and Winslow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Locations impacted include Waukegan, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Round Lake Beach, Furnace Hills, Zion, Grand Lake, Libertyville, Round Lake, Antioch, Oconga, Fox Lake, Lake Villa, Lindenhurst, Beach Park, Gages Lake, Long Grove, Hawthorne Woods, and Park City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Hazard, quarter-size hail.
The National
Roscoe, Fox Lake, Harvard Island. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Boone County in north central Illinois, Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 2:15 a.m. At 9:16 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated slow-moving thunderstorms producing rain rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen with additional heavy rainfall moving into the area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly in the Rockford metro area. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, Potwood Grove, Rockford Airport, Kennewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, Capron, Timberlane, New Milford, Garden Prairie, Seward, and Caledonia. A flash flood warning means rapid unchecked flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north central Illinois until 10 p.m. At 9:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Belvedere, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Belvedere, Loves Park, Harvard, Marengo, Potwood Grove, Kennewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Timberlane, Union, Garden Prairie, and Caledonia, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 19 and 41. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DeKalb County in north central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DeKalb County in north central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 10:45 p.m. At 9:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line.
Locations impacted include Elgin, DeKalb,
At 35 miles per hour.
Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana, the Hills, Hunley.
Radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, DeKalb, Bartlett, Crystal Lake, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana, the Hills, Hunley, Geneva, Sycamore, Canton Hills, Genoa, Shabana, South Elgin, Cary, Sugar Grove, Ingray Grove, Gilbert, and West of E. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.